Hi, my name is Lydia, and I'm one of the founders of the I Do Photography. One of the most amazing feelings for us as wedding photographers and videographers is receiving something like this from our couples after we send them their photos and videos. Our teams work extremely hard to get incredible photos and videos for our couples. So to aid them, we went back through our experience of over 700 weddings to see what other factors made the most impact. And we came up with 4 key pillars. To make sure that every couple takes those pillars into consideration when planning their wedding, and to share our tips from many years of shooting weddings, we created our Wedding Mastery course. We want every single one of our couples to have not only the best wedding photos and videos, but also to have the most incredible wedding experience. So, without further ado, here are the 4 things that can make or break your wedding photos and videos. Our first pillar is lighting and surroundings. The same exact location can have a completely different look with different lighting. So planning your timeline to maximize that good lighting will make a huge difference in your photos and videos. Apart from this, not all venues are created equal. So we want to give you some tips on how to get the type of photos and videos that first and foremost reflect your vision for your wedding. Second pillar, and an extremely important one, is the timeline. Whether your wedding package has 2, 7, or 12 hours, planning those hours to best fit your priorities and get the best lighting results in the best pictures. Good timeline is also important because it's what lets you spend your time enjoying your wedding rather than rushing or worrying about running late. Third pillar, energy. Most weddings are slightly more controlled versions of apocalypse, and it's very easy to get stressed out. Our shooters always try to be your backup and support on the wedding day, but ultimately, if you're stressed, angry, or upset, it will show. So we collected valuable advice that will help you to have an incredible day even if the real apocalypse decides to happen. Fourth pillar and final one is communication. We want to get you the wedding photos and videos that reflect your dream vision for your wedding. So it is very important for us to know what your vision and priorities are, and this course will tell you about what we do to learn them. We also want to get all of the wedding participants to work as a seamless team, so we created materials not only for you, but also for your wedding party and your entire vendor team. In the next episodes, we will go into details about how to make all of these factors work in your favor, as well as give you many other useful notes that will help you to get the absolute most of not only your photos and videos, but also out of your own wedding experience. At the end of each episode, we will give you an action checklist to make sure that you implement this very valuable advice.